What's going on, YouTube fam? Opening day for dove season here in Texas. I already got the setup going, as you guys see. I already got the modules going. I got my buddy setting up, so we'll see how this goes. Deer and some fawns out there. Look like twins. That's pretty cool. There you go. Oh, he was just probably feeding down there? Yeah. There he goes. Fortunately, we can't do anything about him. We're here for some dove hunting. We seen what? We seen hogs, deer. We haven't seen really no birds. I think, what, 6 or so? Maybe, right? But now there's this person just walking in the field that we're hunting. Oh! Yeah, it is. Shoot it! Right there. That's not a dove. No, it's not. It wasn't. No, it had 2 wings. It had 2 wings. 2 tails. Quick update, guys. This shit's sucking ass. I'm gonna start shooting my mojos. Hey, right there, Dom. Right there, right there. How am I missing? What is going on? At least I got it on video for IG. Alright, maybe we're not. Maybe the bird's not sucking. We're just fucking sucking. I'll give you guys another update later on. Damn. What in the fuck is that? Bro, change your shotty, bro. That bitch was on you. Alright, boys, we're finally on the board after like 100 fucking shots. Alright, guys, quick update. We took a break, went to lunch, came back, moved a different little spot. Hopefully everything turns out to be well. This is pretty much what it's looking like. We'll see what happens. Well, at least they're flying right now.
I would imagine it's only going to get better towards the evening.
Oh yeah. Right here above. Ooh. Right behind. That was a big group.
I saw them.
The spot was on the airfield. That's where we needed to be at. Above you.
Yep. That motherfucker was 9.5 miles long. Higher than draft person.
Oh, they got him.
Got him! Got him!
Here comes, I think. Yep. Here we go. Come on, baby. Come this way. Come this way.
Wait. They're too high. They're too far.
There. All right, guys. Right now, we got more birds than we had this morning, so that's cool. Right now, the setup that we have is almost like a circle. So we're just trying to keep the birds moving. The problem is that behind us, that's where all the birds are flying. So they don't really come into this property, which that sucks. So hopefully we continue seeing birds fly this way and we can get some more birds. All right, guys, so this is pretty much it for the dove hunt. Only got 3 birds, whack. They were really not flying. Got a kind of crappy spot. But anyways, I'll see you at the house. I'm gonna show you guys how to clean them up. See you there. So now I'm just gonna show you guys how to clean the doves. You're gonna grab your dove, right? You're gonna rip the wings off first. You know, just twist them like that. If you guys are like cringy, don't watch this. But if not, that's pretty much it. Expose the breast. Pull. There you go. See how all this comes apart nice and clean. You're gonna come from the bottom right here. Just pull it out. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple to do. Nothing crazy, nothing major. Once you guys start taking the breast out of the rib cage, that's easy. You can run a knife through here. I'm gonna save them like this in the my freezer until obviously I get some more doves. But I just run the knife through here, and you can pull the little breast out, or you can run your finger, however you guys want. But that's pretty much how you do it. Rip the wings off, peel the center cage of the all the skin, and just go from the bottom and pull up. I'll do another one so you guys see. Get the wings, rip them. Try to rip as much as you can. Come here, split it from outside. Come from the bottom. There you go. You have your chicken breast. Not chicken, but you know what I mean, dove. Anyways, I'm gonna make some poppers with it, and hopefully I go out again and actually try to get some more dove. We definitely gotta try a different spot because that spot wasn't in. But anyways, thank you for watching. Do me a solid, subscribe, comment, like, share, all that good stuff. With that being said, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.